Have you ever been hungry and tired of constantly eating out in fast foods and restaurants? And you would prefer to make something yourself, something healthier in the comfort of your home. And you're indecisive, just like me. Instead of wasting time scrolling through recipes you cannot make, Dishcovery lets you input the ingredients you already have at home and instantly shows you recipes you can cook right now. But that's just the beginning. You can also explore meals, you can share your own dishes, save the favorites, and you can even create your own shopping lists whenever you're missing something for a specific dish. Let me show you how that works.
This application has 4 main pages: cooking, recipes, my recipes, and profile. Profile is basically the account information and preferences. Cooking is the main part of Dishcovery. Here you can select your ingredients. Let's take for example eggs, tomato, butter, olive oil, and salt. When we save the selection, it will show the ingredients that we have chosen and give our different dishes that use those ingredients. You can also filter them by choosing breakfast, Italian, Asian, etc. And once we view the recipe, it will show the ingredients that we have, the instructions on how to make this recipe, and nutritional factors like calories, proteins, etc. Next up, we have recipes. Over here is the opposite of the previous one. You have, let's say for example, classic pancakes, where it will show you a shopping list of what you need to buy if you want to make this recipe. You can also search them up. For example, let's say avocado. It will show you avocado toast and what you need to buy to create this dish. You can also like them and everything. Also, in this page we have the community where you can personally share your recipes and see what other people have made with their free time and with their dishes. On My Recipes is basically the recipes that you have saved or your own recipes, and you can also filter them. You have all the recipes that you have favorited and your own recipes that you have created. You can also freely edit them and delete them, and also again create them by giving it a name, cuisine type, ingredients, instructions, and if you want to upload a photo.
To wrap up, Dishcovery solves 2 key problems. First, it answers the everyday questions. What can I cook with what I already have? And second, it gives people a fun, simple way to discover, save, and share their recipes. Instead of endless searching and wasted ingredients, users can get personalized dish suggestions based on what's in their kitchen. Plus, they can build a recipe collection and connect with others who love cooking. I would love your feedback on improving the recipe suggestion logic and support in bringing Dishcovery to real users. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.